So now here, as you can see, we have already mentioned the index column. Uh, in the data frame 1, it's the ID, and in the data frame 2, it's the MID. So now let's check date in the data frame 1. As you can see, ID column has been set as the index column. Now let's check the data frame 2. Here MID is the index column. Now we are going to perform the merge on the index column. So now let's merge the data frame 1 with the data frame 2. Let's specify the left on as the ID. So that's the index column from the left table. And set the left index as true because we are choosing the index. Let's specify the column from the right table. That's the MID. Let's specify right index as true. And in the how argument, let's specify as left. So we are going to perform here the left join. Now let's see the resultant rows. So as you can see, as this was the left join, so we have performed the join on the ID and the MID. So as it is left join, that's why you can see the ID index here.